This winter storm is affecting cruising. Mine is the latest. Let's talk about it. So, as you know, if you follow the channel, today, as of when this video is posted, I am boarding the Comic-Con cruise out of Tampa, Florida. And as of recording this video, let's see here, as of recording this video, about 3 hours ago, a little less than that, about 3 hours ago, we got an email stating that Celebrity has informed the organizers of the Comic-Con cruise that due to the expected weather conditions in Nassau on the day that we are supposed to be there, we will no longer be visiting Nassau. Now, normally, Nassau is one of those ports where you're like, oh, I don't care if I miss it or not. Every Caribbean cruise goes to Nassau. Half the people stay on the ship anyway. What does it matter? But for this cruise, I was scheduled to go to the Royal Beach Club, which just opened about a month ago, and I was super stoked for it. I've watched so many videos of other cruise tubers who have been there. I had plans as to what I was going to do, what I was going to eat, what I want to try. And I'm no longer going there. Just honestly breaks my heart a little bit. I was really, really looking forward to the Royal Beach Club. Instead, we have been told that we are now going to be going to Cozumel, Mexico. Fight me in the comments if you want to call it Cozumel. Properly, it's Cozumel. But we're now going to Cozumel, Mexico. And I, in my scramble to find something to do, have booked Paradise Beach Club. This is an all-inclusive resort. Now, I have never been to Cozumel before, so I've never been to Paradise Beach Club or anything like that. It is going to be a completely new experience for me, but we'll make the best of it. It's all-inclusive. That's food, alcohol, your beach is included. I did pay for the top shelf package for Paradise Beach Club because Mom likes her Patron, but we'll check it out. I'll bring you along with me. My goal for this cruise stop in Cozumel is to catch a halucha in Pokemon Go, because I'm a nerd. This is the Comic-Con cruise. I'll be playing Pokemon. Also, that day is going to be Community Day for Pokemon Go, so let's see if I can get some shinies while I'm in Cozumel too. That'll be fun. But I just wanted to give you an update. Weather does change port stops, and it's an unfortunate part of cruising that we have to live with. I'm dealing with it now. I was supposed to be in Nassau, but instead I'll be in Cozumel. Trade-offs, right? I've been to Nassau several times. I've never been to Cozumel, so it's a win for me, in my opinion, although I'll be in Cozumel 2 other times in the next couple of months. We'll talk about those soon. But it just gives me more chances to catch halucha. That's how I'm looking at it. So, you know, wins. So I hope you will stick along, subscribe to the channel, like this video. I'll take you along with full cruise vlogs of the Comic-Con cruise. If you are a nerd in any way, shape, or form, you know, and you're not on Comic-Con cruise, definitely follow along for that. It's going to be tons of fun. I have basically full days planned to the point where I don't even know when I'm going to be eating food. They've got a lot of nerd events going on, a lot of stuff. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to bring you along to everything. And I'm going to be having Jason Isaacs, aka Lucius Malfoy, sign socks with Dobby on them. So I don't think I'll be able to record that, but I will put a either do a picture of it or I'll show you the socks in a video after I get them signed. It's going to be fun. Tag along. I hope to see you on board sometime soon.